Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day, and it's my 258th Floss Tube, and it is December 10th, 2024. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're just keep getting closer and closer and closer and closer to Christmas. So here we are, and we do have our Christmas mug. It says Merry Christmas, and I'm drinking green tea with jasmine today. So we did a few things last week. Kind of a slow week, actually. Yeah, I only had 3 reviews, and one of those reviews was for AliExpress. So I got that big order in and started those today, or this week, I should say. So let's get started. So one of the ones that I started, this is in no particular order, is the Great Wall 200 by 83, and it looks like this. And I started up here in this reddish tree. Put that back in there so we don't lose it. You know, that's the way things go. So I've been just putting that pink in, and that is a symbol, not the pink. So yeah, but just trying to get that pink in, and it's kind of, what do you call it, like checkerboarded. So we haven't gotten any further on that one. And I also started this one, and it is from FG Normal. I'm looking. Of course, it's in its envelope. And sometimes those envelopes are a little tight. This is called Welcome, and it's a Christmas one. So let me just set that there. So I started down here on the train. So I back got the train finished. There's like 3 symbols, but there's like 10 stitches of each or some stupid thing. And then, of course, you'll have to do the back stitching. But yeah. So I got bored, and let me get that stupid needle out of the way. Let me just let it hang for right now. So I started putting that in, and I think I put 2 colors in there. I wanted to see what the darker green looked like next to the lighter. It's pretty medium, so you really can't tell. And there's an ornament right in there. So yeah, I like working on it. It's nice, it's small, it's easy. So we'll continue working on it this next week. Let me just put that there. And I started this one, and it was from Paint Some Way. I really like that. I like all the buildings. So I don't remember how much I got done of it. It's a 14 count as well. Let's get it down and see where we're at. So I've almost finished that top gable of that building. So I think there's 1, possibly 2 symbols in there. So yeah, it's coming along. I was just trying to do all of that one color. And of course, we worked right in here as well. Part of that sky, I believe. So yeah, not much progress, but it's another one. It's nice, it's easy, it's not very big. Yeah. And the other one from Fan Cells that I started was this version of Copenhagen. We have Copenhagen and we have Amsterdam. I keep saying this is the version of, but it's, I was thinking, I don't know. I was thinking they were both called Copenhagen, or Copenhagen, however you say it. So, see if I can get it back in there. And I way. Oh, I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. Oh, yes, it goes this way. Oop, let's fold it in half. So all I got done was that part of, there's a roof right there of that first building, and there's a few more symbols in there. So not too terribly bad. It's just straight stitching until you get to the back stitching. So, I mean, those, I like those kinds, you know, where you don't have to, it's not all confetti. Oh yeah, drives me totally batty some days. And others, I can just do confetti all day long, just pull out a strand, do all of those, and then go on, yeah. Some other time, not so much. And I hope I can get this, oh, it came right out. It didn't go back in really well. And the next one that I worked on, yeah, I call it Houses Along the River. And I started over here, I believe I did. Yeah, in those trees. I can't remember. How's that? No, I didn't. Wrong building. I started on this building because I'm doing, like, do you see all the dark brown color, dark reddish brown? Yeah, that's what I was working on. So, didn't get any further on that one as well. I still got a thread hanging fire here. Let me just put it with the other. Let's see if I can hold it up. So, yep, that's all I got done on that one. Just, I guess, wasn't in the mood to work on the big ones. I have no idea, but that's all I started. So then this week, I worked also on The Lady Smelling the Rose by Joyce Sunday, by John William Waterhouse, The Soul of the Rose. And I started working up in here, and I've worked on her hair. So, yeah, those are works in progress. And this came from FG Normal a while back. So, been working on that top part of that building. Working on her hair. That part's already been done, where the green and the rose are. Let me see if I can fold it kind of wide for some reason. There we go. So, yeah, just trying to get the top of that building. Not top of it, but you'll see. See, it just kind of sticks out right there. So, and then the rest of it will be shades of whites and light tans, and this is not even supposed to be stitched, but we're thinking about putting B5200 in there just to make it a consistent look. So, and there'll be some more of that somewhere a little bit up in here. So, yeah. But I like working on it. It's another one, get it out, put a few threads in it, makes you feel like you worked on it. And then you got to go on to something else. And it's not confettied or anything bad like that at all. And the only other thing that I worked on, the reason I'm squinching is because that was heavy, is, if I can find the picture, and it goes this way. This is my creek and mountains. So, yeah, I am working on this side of, yeah, this side of, just trying to get across this way and then straight down, because right in here where these trees are and then up to where that line is, it's confetti. I mean, there must be 20 symbols, it seems like. I don't remember how many colors are in this. So, there are 34 colors in this. So, I did get a swatch of that yellow and that other symbol there. So, it's coming along, so I'm about to conquer that mountain. There's a mountain in there, but just trying to make it even to go down. So, yeah, just a bit by bit. I know it doesn't look like I've done hardly anything on it, but that is, I worked on that for like 2 or 3 hours till my arm about fell off, and then I said, you know, it's time to quit. Yeah, it was kind of like diamond painting. And I tried to do it here on the couch. Oh yeah, that on the table. And that bag weighs a ton. But that is everything that I worked on, started. I did 2 other reviews. One was for fan sales and one was for FG Normal, other than AliExpress. I had to think what I was thinking about. So yeah, it was not a busy week at all. I have no idea what I'm going to be working on the rest of the week. No, nothing's jumping out since I found the lady with the rose. So I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to try to work on some of the leafy part, the green. So yeah, because I'm a little over that rustish, orangish red. Yeah, we're kind of done for a while, you know, and I don't know. I picked that top corner where that building is, and I told you I was going to put the white in, only because I wouldn't have to hang on to so much material. So, yep. And that is about it. So, other than that, I don't think I have anything to talk about. We'll have Christmas, December Saturday stitching on Saturday. But other than that, yeah. I don't know if anything will arrive or not arrive. It snowed yesterday. Yeah, that was a fun time, shall we say. Yeah. So, I don't think it's going to snow today, but it's not going to get warm. Let's just put it that way. It'll be another cold day. And then it's going to get in the 40s again, so yay! Alright, guys. Well, thank you for watching. And I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.